Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Will. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make cinder toffee today. It is incredible. It's super easy to make. It only has 3 ingredients. And I'm going to show you guys how to make it. Let's get started.
Alright guys, for this recipe it's super straightforward. All you need is sugar, golden syrup, bicarbonate soda, a good sugar thermometer, and a tray lined with a non-stick mat. Make sure you get everything organised before you start cooking. That is very important. Guys, pour the sugar and the golden syrup into the saucepan, mixing to combine with a rubber spatula so it cooks evenly. Now you got to cook it over low heat until it reaches 152 degrees Celsius. This is the hard crack stage. Now you got to immediately remove it from the heat. Now it's time you're going to add in the bicarbonate soda. Whisk it until completely incorporated. It will puff up, so be careful. Now pour into your lined tray. This is why it's important to be prepared. And let cool for at least 3 hours at room temperature so that it can cool completely. It's a gorgeous thing, this. Look at it. There you have it. Cinder toffee. How easy was that? Now you can just put in a container and have it whenever you want. And actually, cinder toffee is actually a really good gift to give to someone because they don't know how to make it, but you do. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, can you please drop us a like down below? It would help me out a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in a bit.